Apple unveiled the iPhone 16 family last week, and they will all become available this Friday, on September 20th. A 45-second video posted by tipster Majin Bu on X showcases the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Black Titanium variant. The packaging of the new iPhone 16 Pro does not include a charger or headphones like the previous models. There is a USB-C to USB-C braided cable, and the box no longer includes an Apple sticker. The short unboxing video also shows how the camera control button functions. In the second video, we see an iPhone 16 Pro model in the hue Desert Titanium getting compared to the blue Titanium iPhone 15 Pro. The new phone sports a 6.3-inch screen. It unsurprisingly looks a little larger than the 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro. The iPhone 16 Pro features a higher resolution 48MP ultrawide camera. The new Pro models are come with faster A18 Pro chip with iOS 18, and it will get the first batch of Apple Intelligence features. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.